Hello everyone. This video is about corporate reputation. A company's corporate reputation is the sum of all the views and beliefs held about the company based on its history and future prospectus in comparison to close competitors. Having a good reputation would mean that the company is performing well and is able to provide the customers with what they need. So, there is no doubt about the fact that corporate reputation tends to be one of the most important aspects of a growing business. In a market, we can find several products produced by different companies which serve the same purpose. Customers have wide range of choices. Even though all these products are good, only few companies get higher demand and others struggles to survive in the market. This is because the image the company has created in the minds of the customers. The overall view and beliefs a customer hold about the company based on its past and future prospectus compared to its competitors is called corporate reputation. It can be considered as an intangible asset for the company which helps the company to grow and withstand the competition in the long run. Components of corporate reputation. There are several components which can help the company to gain corporate reputation, and they are as follows. First one, ethical component. The organization behaves ethically, is admirable and is worthy of respect and is trustworthy. If the company follows ethics, it always gains trust and respect from the customers. Customers always keep these companies higher than other competitors. It is one of the factors which helps the company to gain customer trust and reputation in the market. Employees and workplace. The organization has talented employees, treat its people well, is an appealing workplace. If a company has talented workers, it can perform its activities better than other companies. Treating the employees well always helps the company to attract talented people. It brings better image to the company. Financial performance. The organization is financially strong, has a record of profitability, has growth prospectus. Investors choose those companies which has strong financial background and has a good record of profitability. Better financial performance is an indicator of good corporate reputation. Leadership. The organization is a leader rather than a follower, is innovative. There are different positions in the market which can be taken by a company. It may be a leader or a follower. If the company gets leader's position, their reputation will always be higher. Management. The organization is well managed, has high quality management, has better future. If the management is good, the company can achieve success. A bad management always creates problems. It can threaten the survival of the company itself. Well managed company always stands strong in the market. Social responsibility. The organization recognizes social responsibility, support good causes. Adopting CSR or corporate social responsibility all by itself helps the company to get better image in the minds of the society. Customer focus. The organization cares about the customers, is strongly committed to customers. People prefer to buy goods from those companies who give better treatment to them. Companies should produce goods based on the needs of the customers. Giving better treatment to the customer helps the company to gain good reputation in the market. Quality. The organization offers high quality products and services. People prefer to buy those goods which has good quality. Offering superior quality products helps the company to gain higher reputation in the market. Reliability. The organization stands behind its product and services provide consistent service. The company should be reliable to the customers. They should take the responsibility of the product produced by them. They should listen to the customer queries and solve their problems quickly. It helps the company to gain better reputation in the market. Emotional appeal. The organization makes the customer feel good and comfortable. There are people who consider comfort as an important factor while choosing the products. The companies should make the customer feel comfortable and happy. It attracts better attention from the customers. These are the different factors which helps the company to gain a better reputation in the market. It may be ethical component, that is being ethical helps the company to become more get more reputation in the market. Having better employees also gets helps the company to get better reputation. Financial performance, performing better in the market, being the leader in the market, having a better management, at adopting CSR or giving better treatment to the customers, providing or producing better quality products, being reliable to the customers, and giving better emotional appeal to the customer. These are the different factors helps the company to get better reputation in the market. Benefits of having corporate reputation. First one, investors, greater access to capital markets, increased investor appetite facing greater risk or lower return, high-end share performance relative to peers. Investors prefer to invest in those companies which has higher reputation. It helps them to get greater access to capital market. Investors show greater interest to take high risk because these companies have good reputation. They can face competition easily. They always show better performance compared to their competitors. It helps the company to get more investors. Customers, large customer base, consumer paying premium for the products and services, long time client value, increased revenue, raised online profile. Winning the customer trust is essential for every company. If the company wins customer trust, it can make them pay premium prices for their product. Customer will not leave those companies which have good reputation. So the company can have a larger customer base. It helps the company to earn more revenue as well as profits. Employees, more applicants per role, broader talent pool, attraction to top talent, increased employee retention. Better reputation always helps the company to attract and retain the best talent in their sector. Employees will not leave those companies which gives them better treatment and has good reputation in the market. This is because people want to be proud of what they do and who they do it for. Government, government regulators and policy makers, less scrutiny, reduced regulatory burden, preferential access to future projects, influence on policy formation. Good reputation helps the company to earn trust and thereby reducing the regulatory burden. They can also win a seat in the policy making and thereby influence policy formation. It helps them to have lesser scrutiny and help them to get better access for their future projects. Local community, boost local economy, gain competitive advantage through community promotion, links with community leaders, support for business expansion. Good reputation helps the company to get trust from the local community. They can easily get connected to local community leaders. It will help them to it helps them in their business endeavors. They can get better support for their business expansion easily. They can also boost the local economy. These are the benefits of having corporate reputation. It is having a corporate reputation always help the company to gain more investor. It also helps the investor in different ways, helps them to have a larger customer base, which helps them to earn more return, more revenues and profits. Also, customer can gain from these companies. Employees, a company with a good reputation always able to get better employees and be top in the market. Government, regulators and policy makers, they can get several benefits from the government, regulators and policy makers. They can also be a part of this policy formation, policy makers, which will help them in their future projects. Local community, this better reputation helps the company to have links with the local leaders, which will help them in their future business endeavors. Having good corporate reputation in the minds of the customer is always beneficial for the company. To improve the reputation, companies should conduct some market research. They should find out their present status in the market. Once they identify their present status, they can always make changes in their activities. They should find out their weakness and overcome their weakness. It helps the company to get better place in the market. By this, we can say corporate reputation is one of the factors which help the company to survive in the long run. It is all about corporate reputation. Thank you.